Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. We're looking at a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible, and I'm going to show you something very unique about this vehicle here in a minute. This is pretty unique too. I've never seen one of those before. Maybe that's on there, I just never noticed it, but that's a real interesting protector, the bumper in the front. So 72 convertible. Love the color combination. And I'll go to the passenger side to show you something that's really unique as far as Cutlasses are concerned. So it has a sport wheel. You see that quite often. There's a Cutlass badging. But check this out. Usually you see bucket seat, and this doesn't have a split bench, but it does have a bench, center armrest. And that's something, I'd have to look up the numbers, but that's something you just don't see, is a bench in a Cutlass convertible. And I'll shoot more of that from the other side. But I'm at a client. I do work with RV, well, let me back up so you can see. I do work with RV dealers and motorsport car dealers. And this happens to be in the wild, sitting in their parking lot. There is a rod and run show tonight, and that's probably why this person drove it. Good looking exhaust tip, dual exhaust. There's a beautiful Oldsmobile badging, and we're parked up against the fence, so it's kind of difficult, but just love the back end and love the Oldsmobile lettering there. So as we step around to the driver's side, really a nice, straight, clean 72 Cutlass Supreme. And here's a look from the driver's side. And it looks like we do have air conditioning. So it is an air-conditioned vehicle with a drop top. There you can see the controls for the top, up and down. You got your wiper and washer, headlights, your controls, aftermarket Kenwood stereo. This is probably a stupid light that said put on your seatbelts. When seatbelts became mandatory in the late 60s, early 70s, that was a big deal. They didn't have the buzzer yet to drive you nuts, but they did start putting the idiot light, is what they called it, the idiot light in. So you've got ashtray all the way around so everyone can smoke, and with a drop top you can smoke and just let the smoke rise up out of the car. So I just wanted to shoot, I don't know who owns this at the dealership, but I just wanted to take an opportunity and shoot this before I went on about my day. And I'll be shooting more video tonight because there is the Wentzville car cruise tonight. Great looking view of the side shot. So thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Subscribe, share it, pass it on. Help me grow the channel. Thank you.